Are you considering a career in healthcare that doesn't require years of education? A phlebotomy technician bootcamp might be just what you're looking for. Phlebotomy is a crucial part of the healthcare industry, involving the collection and handling of blood samples for various medical tests and procedures. In this video, we'll explore what you can expect when enrolling in a Phlebotomy Tech Bootcamp. Comprehensive training. Phlebotomy Tech Bootcamps are designed to provide comprehensive training in the art and science of phlebotomy. You can expect to learn the following: anatomy and physiology, understanding the human circulatory system, blood composition, and related medical terminology is essential for a phlebotomist. Infection control, proper techniques for maintaining a sterile environment to protect both patients and healthcare professionals. Blood collection techniques. You'll learn the various methods and equipment used to draw blood, including venipuncture and capillary puncture. Handling and storage, safe handling, labeling, and storage of blood samples to ensure accurate test results. Hands-on experience. Phlebotomy is a skill-based profession, so you can expect plenty of hands-on experience during your bootcamp. This may include practicing blood draws on training mannequins, fellow students, and eventually real patients under the supervision of experienced instructors. Developing confidence and proficiency in your skills is a significant part of the training. Classroom instruction. In addition to hands-on training, you can expect classroom instruction that covers the theoretical aspects of phlebotomy. This includes lectures, discussions, and assignments to reinforce your understanding of the subject matter. Certification preparation. Many phlebotomy tech bootcamps prepare students for nationally recognized certification exams, such as the Certified Phlebotomy Technician (CPT) exam offered by organizations like the National Health Career Association (NHA) or the American Society for Clinical Pathology (ASC). Achieving certification can enhance your job prospects and earning potential. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page, like and subscribe for more actionable tips in accelerating modern healthcare education.